Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share a favorite comfort food recipe, fluffy pancakes. These pancakes are soft, light, and perfectly golden, making them the ultimate breakfast treat. Plus, I'll show you some fun, creative toppings to take them to the next level. Let's get started. For the pancake batter, you will need 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, or whole wheat for a healthier twist, 2 tablespoons sugar or maple syrup for a natural sweetener, 2 teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk or dairy-free milk with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons melted butter or coconut oil for a dairy-free option. For cooking, 1 tablespoon butter or oil for greasing the pan. For the toppings, fresh berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, banana slices, chocolate chips, nuts such as walnuts, pecans, or almonds, whipped cream or coconut cream, drizzles, maple syrup, honey, or chocolate sauce. For the equipment, you'll need a mixing bowl and whisk for the batter, a non-stick pan or griddle, a ladle or measuring cup for pouring the batter, and a spatula for flipping. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the buttermilk, egg, vanilla extract, and melted butter. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently mix until combined. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it with butter or oil. Using a ladle, pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles form on the surface. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Repeat with the remaining batter. Now comes the fun part, customizing your pancakes. For a classic serving, drizzle pancakes with maple syrup and add a pat of butter on top. For berry bliss, top the pancakes with fresh berries and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. For a rich twist, try Choco Banana by layering banana slices and chocolate chips. Lastly, for nutty delight, add a handful of chopped nuts and drizzle with honey. Stack your pancakes high, drizzle with your favorite syrup, and dig in. And there you have it, homemade, fluffy pancakes that are simple, delicious, and totally customizable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and stay creative.